Morning guys, welcome to another video. Sean here. Happy 4th of July. It'll be after the 4th of July when you see this. Today Lily and I and her family are all going to Old Orchard Beach up in Maine. Should be a good time. They got fireworks obviously, a pier, carnival, all that kind of stuff. So it'll be a great time. Let's go.
Nerf this!
We made it. We out here. We unloading the car. We're about to go down to the water. Let's go.
Please do not use tobacco. Public drinking or alcohol beverages is an arrestable offense.
Don't worry. We won't. Too much.
No.
So if you guys saw the last vlog, you know Lily was dying in the heat. We've been here like a half hour. She's already dying. She's already dying in the heat. It's a beautiful day. I'm sweating, but I love it. She doesn't love it.
They're gonna open the
Yeah.
fair today?
Yeah, we're right like by the pier. You can see that in the background. And then all the rides. Yeah, we should.
I kind of love it.
You kind of love it?
Kind of.
Yeah, because we're at the beach. Because we're at the beach.
Yeah, that's where you're supposed to be when it's hot. With your sandals on.
Alright, serious question. Shoes acceptable at the beach? Shoes acceptable at the beach or not?
Like if you think that you should wear sandals to the beach.
Oh, what a glorious day. Happy birthday, America.
Honestly, like why?
Whoa, why what?
Happy birthday, America. Just say
Because
happy
it's
4th.
America's
Happy
birthday.
4th.
The day we declared independence.
Have a good 4th.
Yeah, have a good 4th. Take it easy. Yeah. My hair is a mess. Courtesy of the salt water of the Atlantic Ocean. What?
You know flyers?
Flyers? Yeah. AKA citations?
Oh. No, it's because they're doing fireworks and everybody needs to be off the deck. So we can get some.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some. Because I'm a rebel. We're out of beer. I'm going to get some beer. Some iced tea, I'm sorry. I'm going to get some cold iced tea for the boys.
Be rebel and be in jail. And then I'll vlog that.
Huh? Oh my god, I would do it for the vlog. It's a scorcher. Mission is successful. We're on our way back to home base with the target acquired. We're this way, guys. My team of highly elite trained special operatives. Doesn't know where they're going, so I am the leader. Let's go. So a quick fun fact about Old Orchard Beach. It's really loud right here, so I hope you can hear me, but Lily and I came here like 4 years ago when we first met, before I was doing YouTube, before we even... And we kind of came up here on 4th of July weekend, like super spontaneously, like we just like got up that morning and we're like, let's go somewhere. And so I decided to take her to Old Orchard Beach. We went on the carnival and enjoyed the fireworks over the water. It was awesome. And I really want to start getting back into the habit of doing that, just doing like spontaneous activities. It's probably like 4 o'clock right now. I'm dying of heat. I fell asleep in the sun. If you've ever fallen asleep in the sun, you know you're gonna get a burn. But yeah, I'm dehydrated. But man, it's been a great day. It's been a while since I've been able to kick back, relax, and not really worry about anything. So I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying the sun. I'm enjoying the family. I'm enjoying the food and the drinks we're having. So hopefully we can keep this good day rolling. Right now the cops are blocking off like certain parts of the beaches because they're about to do the fireworks, or they're gonna set up for the fireworks. Luckily, I think I made it just in time to sneak back to the compound, back to the home base, but I guess we'll find out. I've resorted to this to try to beat the heat. I think we're gonna walk around while we wait for the fireworks because we're just baking in the sun right now. I'll keep you posted. I feel like I'm like in the desert and I just keep updating you guys. Day 3, still no water. Yeah. Okay, family.
Then the route guidance will start.
Mango. So Old Orchard Beach was a madhouse, as you guys probably saw. We're burnt, we're tired,
And we're hungry.
So about to get some Bizood, hopefully it'll be good. Let's see.
We had a good time.
Yeah, no, that was enough time.
Gains, bruh. Gains. Bruh.
Why?
So we're stuffed. Gonna hit the road. Let's go. So I would have totally filmed some dope transition shots and got some views of the fireworks while we were on the way home, because there was fireworks going off all around us on the way home, I'm sure. But as soon as we got into the car, I was a bum and fell asleep 2 seconds into the car ride. So shout out to Lily's dad for driving and being the hero of the day per usual. And I guess I'll end the vlog here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Turn post notifications on, because I post videos just like this every Monday to get your week going, and every Friday to get your weekend started. I'm spent. I hope all of you guys had a happy and safe 4th of July. You live in the best country in the world if you live in the United States. Biasly speaking, of course. Just remember, freedom isn't free. And, you know, the reason why we're able to be in this country and have the freedoms we have is because people fight for them every day. So thank you to those who do that. But that's it for me. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks so much, guys.